Hello, my name is Dante Kim, and I will now begin my explanation of CAR T cells in the IT industry. This presentation will be about biohackers and how they relate to our world and our society, and what the future with these biohackers means. I will begin with an inquiry into information technology and biohackers. First of all, what exactly are biohackers? According to the Merriam-Webster dictionary, biohackers are people who conduct experiments on biological experimentation done in order to improve the qualities or capabilities of living organisms, especially by individuals and groups working outside of a traditional medical or scientific research environment. What these biohackers are doing is essentially taking a person's DNA, resequencing it, and making changes to it in order to make a person have better biological tendencies. This is quite advanced technology, and only a select few are skilled in the sector. I will now explain one of the main ways that biohackers have changed our everyday lives. Acute lymphoblastic leukemia is defined by the Mayo Clinic as the following. ALL is a type of cancer of the blood and bone marrow, the spongy tissue inside bones where blood cells are made. The word acute in acute lymphocytic leukemia, otherwise known as ALL, comes from the fact that disease processes rapidly and creates immature blood cells rather than mature ones. This disease was previously a deadly one, with it being harder to find and even harder to cure, as the cancer is in the blood and constantly on the move, as opposed to a solid tumor. However, in 2018, renowned biohacker Professor Martin Puel of UCL managed to create a therapy for this disease with chimeric antigen receptor T cells, and he was able to reduce the relapse rate of the disease down to 0.3%. And the treatment rate up to 94%, resulting in a mortality rate of a measly 6%. However, this technology is expensive and it can cost up to $1 million for the treatment of a single person. So, what are these chimeric antigen receptor T cells, otherwise known as CAR T cells? A CAR T cell is consistent of a normal T cell with a modified antigen receptor, hence the name chimeric. To create this cell, biohackers remove healthy T cells from a person's body and modify the genetic code to introduce a new antigen receptor into the cell. After installation is finished, the T cells are simply reintroduced to the patient, and the CAR T cells go upon their way doing the normal job of killing pathogens, but also killing the cancerous cells plaguing the body. All in all, I myself wish to become a biohacker and use technology like this in order to make cures for diseases that simply could not be cured before, and by doing so, to make the world a better one to live in than the one we currently reside in today. Thank you for listening. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask the teacher. Thank you.